Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the updated process of adding text to your photos on Discord using your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Next, navigate to the chat or server where you want to share your photo. Whether it's a direct message to a friend or a channel in a server, find the perfect spot for your picture. Once you're in the right chat, tap the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up your options for sharing. Now, select the photo you want to send from your gallery. Browse through your albums and pick the one that you want to enhance with text. After selecting your photo, tap the pencil icon located at the bottom left of the photo. This will enable you to edit your image and add that personal touch you're looking for. Next, tap the text icon to start adding your message. A text box will appear for you to enter whatever you'd like to say. Don't be shy. Get creative with your message. Once you're happy with your text, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. This will save your edits and get your photo ready for sharing. Lastly, tap the send icon at the top right corner to share your photo with text in the chat. And that's it. Your friends will now see your photo, complete with your personalized message. Thanks for watching.